My heart goes out to Ukraine. Have mercy. Help them, God. But you see, anything what I have to do with Putin, may I beg you, come out tight, bro, God. Can't watch no business in a fall fight. I know you want to be a helpful man, but between me and you, honorable, Jamaica have no way to take bomb. Just offer them your condolences and pray to God that our students them reach safely home. Offer them your love and encouragement. Offer them anything you can, Lord, bro, God, except the loan. Bro, God, oh God, a loan? How you expect the students them to pay it off? Sir, Jamaica is very unaffordable for living, no? Why you think we run off? Standard living is expensive. Every day people are cry. Our funeral package, that was are expensive. We can't afford to live nor die. Back to the argument, sir. May I beg you, put out an advisor. Tell the people them down there to stand in at them yard and make sure them lock the gate. Don't even out of them rotted mind think to go up a Russian embassy, but them are go demonstrate. This is not one other fraction business. Hey! Wanna think a Klansman gang? This a big heavy World War III missile sinting business. Which part of we have nuclear weapon? Me know, so I might feel for join the bandwagon business, but do me a beg of government badness? Act after you think. This is another couple look gun them where you find up a stadium east or there. Look here, Putin we make the whole of Jamaica down the sink. And you know how it goes down the sink. The whole of down there and everybody with a gun underneath the sea. So all who did all discriminate against LGBT, hey, only they have to go sing on the alphabet and start swimming right next to we. Tell ladies to go back in our ministry, cause we need everybody to start pray to Cockafort. This is serious now in our day when cult God did get mad and start to build the ark. Tell L.A. Lewis nobody wake Siaga. Instead, make him wake up nanny if he come blow the abeng. Tell us a Chief Curry might need to help up a compound town because it look like war out to start again. But on second thoughts, we can't be selfish. No man is an island. We are our brother's keeper. We must lend a helping hand. I have a brilliant idea, bro God. Hear me out. Don't think me insane. But all them top tier gunman where have locked up down there in a jail. Why not deploy the whole of them backside go Ukraine? Give them a second chance, sir. Life imprisonment is too harsh. You know crime and violence and badness and war for them passion. Make them and Putin go face off. Me try to hope and pray for the best, but boy, honestly, bro God, me afraid. But just to change the subject, bro God, tell me. You know if Kevin Simit, call God, him bury it?